Hi everyone, today, we're going to take a look at the 5 best wood filler for large holes on the market for this year. First, we're going to show you our 5 best picks, then we'll talk about what you should look for before buying a best wood filler for large holes. You can find timestamps and links to all the products we mentioned in this video down in the description below. Let's get started. Assuming you have teenage kids who love doing what kids know how to do best, playing all the time. Or you, as an adult, makes the mistake of breaking your favorite household fixtures and pieces of furniture. This breakage most times leaves the item with large gaps and deep holes. That's where the best wood filler comes in. It helps you save costs and preserve your precious and favorite home edifices. I have reviewed what to look out for when buying the best wood filler for large holes and gaps and answered the necessary questions you might have in mind. Enjoy your read. How much wood filler should you buy can be a tricky question. The best solution is to base it on your job. If you are a professional woodworker, buy a wood filler that comes in bulk packaging. This way, you know you have something ready for edges, gouges, and large gaps and deep holes. Generally, if you can get large bags of powdered filler, they have a longer shelf life, so it's an investment. Plus, you can make the amount needed instead of potentially wasting extra fillers. Number 1. DAP 543 Wood Filler for Large Holes. DAP 543 wood filler is the best fee for deep holes. It's advanced resistant, weatherproof, and waterproof. It adheres well to cracked concrete, rusted iron fence, and will of the door trim. DAP is your all-around product for any type of wood repair, especially ones with large gaps or deep holes. Use on metal, composite, PVC, fiber cement, wood, and more. This wood hole filler is fast-acting, so you will need to apply it quickly. Also, you do not have to worry about washing off if it is raining or if the filler has not dried. While this product is resistant to weather, it can be used indoors and outdoors. What we liked most. It provides a repair that is 3x more substantial than the wood itself. It has a fast-acting formula. It's excellent for structural repairs. It covers chips and gouges while anchoring screws and nails. It dries very quickly. What could be improved? It is difficult to spread. It's challenging to clean. Number 2. Goodfilla MAP 25 Wood Filler for Large Holes. As any woodworker will attest to, they throw hardened wood filler out all the time. But Goodfilla offers an unlimited shelf life since it reconstitutes with water. Goodfilla is the most innovative, easy-to-use, water-based wood filler for large gaps and deep holes. It's designed for professional woodworkers but perfect for your everyday DIYer, too. You can sand, stain, tint, prime, fill and seal every knot on your to-do list. If it eventually dries out, you can add a little water. What we liked most. It's perfect for big jobs. It is available in varieties of colors and sizes. It has an unlimited storage life. It's environment friendly and contains no toxic materials. You can sand, paint or stain it. What could be improved? It leaves a yellow tint. It has a slightly watery texture. Number 3. PC Products 16333 Wood Filler for Large Holes. PC Woody is an epoxy paste formulated to replace missing and rotted woods. It's the best filler for large gaps and deep holes. This epoxy filler is made from natural wood and has many characteristics of wood. The PC Woody formulation provides extended working time for large and critical jobs, allowing the user time to apply or make changes. Filling large holes in wood with epoxy offers structural strength that's greater than most wood. What we liked most. PC Woody can be used for interior and exterior applications. The high tack helps reduce drips and sags while hardening. It can be painted, stained, and machined after being fully cured. It has excellent resistance to all weather elements. What could be improved? It takes time to set up before you can mold it. It doesn't work well in small gaps. It does not bond to wax paper, Teflon, polyethylene, and some other plastics. Number 4. Bondo 20052 Wood Filler for Large Holes. Bondo Home Solutions Putty is a version of polyester body filler for home use. It is a two-part product that uses a hardener to start the chemical curing process. This putty is formulated for a tremendous range of home repairs requiring a permanent, fast-curing formula. This two-part putty Bondo Wood Filler mixes easily and cures fast. Always mix and apply with a plastic spreader and wear a disposable glove. This fast-curing two-part filler allows you to make high-quality, long-lasting repairs to large gaps and deep holes on metal, masonry, concrete, painted wood, plastic, drywall, and more. What we liked most. It dries very quickly and is very hard. It is waterproof. The leftover product remains viable for a long time. It's for indoor and outdoor use. What could be improved? The hardener that comes with the putty is too small. You might need to buy an extra tube to match the putty in the can. Number 5. Minwax 2160000 Wood Filler for Large Holes. Minwax high-performance two-part wood filler is designed for structural damage repair to wooden surfaces that will be painted. It works excellent in repairing large gaps, deep holes, door strikes, destroyed plates or stripped out large screws/carriage bolts that fall out, etc. It is stronger than wood. Unlike other fillers, it sticks to the interior wood excellent. When filling large holes, you can speed up the drying process by stuffing part of the gap with a small cut-off piece of wooden furniture. Also, mix the filler and wood rot hardener in a smaller ratio to avoid wastage as it hardens within 3 minutes. Finally, make sure to overfill the area, that way, it will sand to a straight, smooth finish. What we liked most. It hardens in 3 minutes, sandable in 15 minutes. It will not shrink, crack, or fall out. It can be drilled, planed, carved, and screwed into. It's suitable for interior and exterior applications. What could be improved? The hardener is small compared to the quantity of the wood filler.